Hi guys, Nick Miller here today from Mark Supply Company. Today we are going to do something a little different for you. We've got 4 options here from CID Xtreme in Bale spears. So let's talk Bale spears for a little while. So we stock the most common stuff. So we're going to keep the single low back. Next common is a double low back, and then we also do keep the triple and double high backs. So what we want to talk to you about today a little bit. CID, which I have a Bobcat sitting here in the background. CID builds it in a standard skid steer quick attach. That's what I stock the most of. We do keep a couple Euro mounts here. We keep a couple John Deere mounts, but basically skid steer mount is become universal standard for everything. So CID offers that, and again, we can get you any custom mount you want, but there again, everything we keep in stock is pretty well skid steer. Now, this is using a 2,800 pound capacity tine, so CID rates the spear itself at 2,800 pounds, okay? A lot of guys want to say, is it 2,800 pounds per tine? Well, realistically, you're not going to pick anything 9,000 pounds with a set of Bale spears. So at the end of the day, it is a 2,800 pound overall rating, but the tine itself is a 2,800 pound rated tine, okay? So in the low back single spear configuration, this is exactly what it's going to look like. It's going to have the 2 little side spears down here, and then your single center spear. Spear length overall is 48 inches, and then protruded length is about 42, okay? So you got your cheap ones out there running around where they just use a little collar up here and 2 little pieces of flat steel, and they weld it to a box tubing, and that's it. Well, CID uses a roll form top, center roll formed center here basically to double gusset everything, and then this is a solid steel collar, which I keep in stock here if anybody ever needs them. We get guys that want to bake their own stuff, so we do offer them that in the time. But then this bolts through, or welds in and then bolts through, and as you tighten the nut, it is a spherical or cone-shaped receiver there, so it tightens up very well. So that is your low back single spear, okay? Everything's double gusseted on your quick attach. Really good spear. I use that spear here myself on my wheel loader. Very handy spear. So let's talk now. Let's just go to a double, the most second common double low back spear, okay? So it's going to offer 2 tines, all right? Spacing I always have set at the 36-inch spacing. That seems to work very nice for local farmers here in our area at least. And why I do that is you can grab 2 bales. I make 1,000-pound bales here myself and net. I can grab 2 in the field and carry them. So I have one of these and I have one of those for feeding. This is for taking out of the field. Also works really nice if you're tin canning your bales, where you can flip them on their side and then stack them up like tin cans. This seems to work very well for that also, okay? So here again, double gusseted quick attach, offered in standard skid steer quick attach, 42-inch bale length, and then you can see it's all gusseted here to intricately tie it together, all right? So then let's move over here to the next. This is going to be a double high back. Same as we got here, except for they put the spill guard on the back for added protection. So if you want something high back, we do offer it, and we have it. Not an issue. Now, in a photo Matthew took for us, it shows in this skid loader, and there again, that's why I have it there. With the cab door open, this has been reconfigured so that you can open your cab door on majority of all major brands of skid steers without it hitting the backrest, okay? And CID offers and adds a nice little convenient side step on both sides, get in and out. Here's what it would look like looking through out of the skid steer. And again, side step here. All right, and that is in your high back models. So let's move over now to a triple. Okay, so a triple is going to have obviously 3 2,800 pound spears, okay, but it's a 2,800 pound capacity attachment. You see it will have basically 3 gussets coming down from the top to tie the frame together. And again, 42-inch tine length. We also show in our pictures that the collar is intricately welded clear through this bottom framing, welded to both sides and tied in so that it really is rigid into the attachment, okay? Again, on this high back, side step both sides, double gusseted tops. Really a nice, well-built product from CID. Again, everything gets a durable powder-coated finish, and You know, a bale spear is one of those things, we guys all the time want to use pallet forks for their round bales, and it just doesn't work. And also, we get a lot of guys like the triple for their big squares. So, if you guys have any questions at all on the CID product line or on any of the bale spear products, please give us a call. And if you see something there that you're looking for that I don't have, give us a call. I'll be glad to get you anything you need. If you need something custom ordered, I'll be glad to work with you on that also. So, again, we do offer skid steer quick attach and many other different quick attaches, and a lot of times we can custom order the stuff out of the factory for you. It's an oddball quick attach. So if you have any questions, 814-658-3066. Check us out on the web at www.marksupplyco.com. See us on Tractor House, Machinery Trader, and on eBay at Mark Supply 88. As always, thank you very much for checking out Mark Supply Company, and have a great day.